What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Lockdown 23-1. Usually we watch the defendants get their boots smoked by the judge. Usually get sentenced to life, 20, 30, or 40 years. When you get a lot of time like that in Virginia, a lot of people say getting your boots smoked, or you just got oiled up. They backed up the oil truck on your ass and torched you. Just pretty much a phrase that says you're going to prison for a long time. I remember I told people my charges when I first stepped into jail. Very first time stepping into adult jail, and I was telling people my charges, they were telling me I wasn't getting out till there's 3 doors and a microwave. I just graduated high school. They're telling me I ain't getting out till I'm like 70. You kidding me? So yeah, there's all kinds of sayings that they have in establishments for people getting locked up. We've been watching many cases, but this one's a little different. The defendant smokes the judge's boots on this one. Now, this first case, just judging by the flags in the background, I believe is coming from Canada. And for anybody that's wondering, why am I showing a clip that's coming from Canada? Well, first and foremost, I got a ton of Canadian viewers. It ain't just Americans over here. And second of all, this guy is considered to be a sovereign citizen. And I believe their laws or their rights are pretty much universal, I guess you could say. He could bring the same kind of stuff to the United States and say it to the judge as well. I don't know too much about the whole sovereign citizenship laws and stuff along those lines, but I have definitely heard many things about it. And I've seen many people claim to hold sovereign citizenship but didn't do it the right way, and they just got punked down. If you're going to do something, you got to make sure you're doing it the right way. And this guy, I believe, does it the right damn way.
I'm here to correct a mistake by the court. Well, first of all, if the court has made a mistake,
are you Wilfred Keith Thompson?
No, that's not what I normally go by now.
Can I see the information?
Get your thumb out the way.
This is Anthony in terms of person legally speaking, sir. I've tried to clarify this a few times, but apparently the level of the topics.
So your name is Keith Thompson?
My name is Keith. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less.
Your name's Keith Thompson?
You don't have a last name, sir?
No, sir. No, I do not have a last name. I go by Keith, and that's it, bruh. That's it.
I have a family name, clan name, but that's irrelevant today.
So you are not Wilfred Keith Thompson?
Okay, one more time, on and for the record, I am Keith. Nothing more.
And sit down, sir. I'm looking for a Wilfred Keith Thompson. Please sit down, sir.
Please sit down, sir. I'm looking for whatever his last name, Keith Thompson. That's who he's looking for. You can please sit down since you're not saying that that's who you are. Okay? The judge is already getting frustrated because he's not agreeing that that's his damn last name. But technically, he's a sovereign citizen. I do not believe they have to have a legal last name.
Please sit down, sir.
Sorry. Can't do that. I served into the court this morning.
Sir, I'm looking for a Wilfred Keith Thompson.
Bailiff?
You are not that
This is
person. Sit down, sir.
Bailiff,
Please remove this gentleman from the courtroom.
Thank you.
Now look, this is, I believe, where the American bailiffs are a little different from the Canadian. The judge said, remove the man from the courtroom. The bailiffs don't remove nothing. Homeboy grabbed the paperwork like he was supposed to and handed it to the bailiff. The judge is snapping for no reason. He's not listening to this guy's case. He's just mad that he's not accepting his last name.
That's the person you're looking for.
Please,
Sir, that is the person. I'm trying to remedy things. Touch me and you will be charged. I'm a peace officer. You want to dishonor a court official?
The defendant's on the bailiff's desk.
See how he had paperwork that shows he is a court official, I guess you could say? He whipped that shit out real quick.
Are you here on behalf of Mr. Thompson?
I said I was the administrator for that account.
Are you here as agent for
Could you
him?
guys please back up? Thanks.
Are you here as agent for him?
Not as agent, as administrator, much like you are administrator of this court.
Sir, you're either him or you are here as his agent to
As his
speak on his
administrator.
behalf. Are you either of those?
Yeah, it's lawful.
Pardon?
Yeah, he's in common law jurisdiction, which I established as soon as I came in here this morning and reestablished again. The bailiff understood me. This other bailiff, wherever she went, she understood me as well. And this gentleman doesn't like talking.
We're going to take a recess. Thank you.
Thank you. All rise.
How long?
How long, sir? I don't have all day, thank you. I have things to do.
We'll take the court.
Yeah, actually,
This court will recess
please
until
note that the
recall.
judge has...
Look, she tried to speak up for the judge because the judge didn't say how long that they were going to recess for. Let's rewind it back. Listen to the guy behind him. He says, we take the court. We're taking the court. I'm pretty sure that's what I heard, man.
The bailiff understood me. This other bailiff, wherever she went, she understood me as well. And this gentleman doesn't like talking.
We're going to take a recess. Thank you.
Thank you. All rise.
She's looking at that guy with anger.
I don't have all day, thank you. I have things to do. Get on with.
We'll take the court.
Yeah, actually,
This court will recess
please
until
note that the
recall.
judge has abandoned the court. He has abandoned ship, and I, as the sovereign in this room, claim authority, case dismissed, with cause and prejudice.
He took things into his own matters and said that this shit is dismissed. He went down with the ship, left everyone in the courtroom hanging, pressure bust pipes, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't matter if you're a judge or not.
Have a nice day. See you later.
That's the way it's done.
I'll start making my way down from
That's great. Hold on, his bag. Hold on, his bag.
This dude had a damn army with him. Army of sovereign citizens, man. You don't want to mess with those people.
And my water, please. Oh, I need and my birth certificate. I need, oh, and can you grab the BC, please?
It's on his desk.
Okay, that's the original.
Well,
Yes. Actually, Andy, leave it there. Leave it there. So put it back in the bail. Thanks. They've got the real thing.
So he left something with the judge, and it was the original copy. He said, just leave it there. I'll get it in the mail. And I'm guessing if he doesn't get in the mail, that's like a whole nother soiree. He's going to come right back in there, but I'm suing all y'all. You just mail me my damn paperwork.
You can get that back. Get your birth certificate back.
No, it's in there.
Could have been that easy.
Oh, yeah, that's Homeboy's like Jedi Master. That guy right there probably taught Homeboy everything he knows.
Argue with him, you're done.
We're in lovely downtown Guelph, and I would encourage you, as a member of the Tourist Commission, to check out Beach Hawkins over there, fine imported sweets from Belgium, as well as Oderkirk and Taylor, personal favorite of mine.
This is what I call Canadian clout chasing.
You can get imported olive oils from Palestine, depending on your politics on the Middle East, as well.
His personal favorite, I can't remember the name of the store, but you see you can get imported olive oils from Palestine, depending on your politics in the Middle East. That is what I call 100% politically correct, ladies and gentlemen.
In my opinion, a lot of the people who you guys are going to hear today are going to come in here and they were under oath to tell the truth, and they didn't tell the truth. They told the truth according to what the prosecutor wanted to hear. July 29, 1990, I was arrested for felonious assault, possession with intent to deliver cocaine, and 2 counts of CCW.
So you need to confine your
Okay, I'll try to narrow
issues
it.
to the perjury.
Okay, but what
He holding that pen like Harry Potter's wand. He about to make some magic tricks happen.
the reason why I mentioned that is because the prosecutor made it seem like back in 90, in September 12th, that the police just came and talked it to me.
Sir, when you have an opportunity to testify, you'll be able to do that. This is not testimony. And I'm going to remind the jurors that this is an opening statement.
I don't know, the prosecutor gave a beautiful thing. All I know is that
Opening statements. It's just to pretty much prove, well, the judge is going to tell you here in a second, but he's already going downhill, man, sad to say, because he says, you know, I don't really know what to say. The prosecution has done so good, you know. Nah, man, this guy, he needs to get an attorney.
I didn't have nothing to do with this case. I don't know anything about this case. I never knew anything about this case. And if I did, I'm not afraid to tell the truth. If I knew something, I would say it. I would not be in jail facing life because I don't want to snitch on somebody. I got 3 kids, and I love my children.
You talked about your convictions for different crimes, about carrying concealed weapons. All of that would have been suppressed. You've opened the door to let the jury hear all of that.
He's absolutely true. He's pretty much painted a bad characteristic of himself already to the jury. You want them to think that you ain't done shit in life. But he opened up the window. You know, let's say the prosecutor were to bring up his past charges. He could probably object to that, and it would probably be sustained because, don't quote me on this, but in a jury trial, I don't think they could bring up your past situations. It's discrediting you as a person because they're already painting a picture that you're pretty much a damn felon, convict. Please comment in the comment section below any attorneys or judges that might be watching. Let me know and let my viewers know.
Those are very incredibly poor choices, sir. I think you need to really think about whether you want Mr. Carlson to finish this case or not. You are burying yourself. No, sir, I'm not in a discussion with you.
This judge is actually helping him. Even though it sounds like he's probably getting frustrated and just doesn't really want to deal with this shit, the judge is giving him the best information he needs to hear. You're burying yourself, bro. Get yourself an attorney. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm actually recording the ending of this video a day later. But if you enjoyed, please do not forget to hit that like, subscribe, notification bell. Check out all the links in the description of the video. Add me up on Twitch, Twitter, Instagram. Go buy yourself some Lockdown 23-in-1 merchandise. And be on standby. You never know when your name's going to be called for this big-ass giveaway that's coming.